It is happening and I could not be more excited. Today we are testing out, I'm so excited, these products right here. This is the MANETRXX line. If you don't know who HIF3LICIA is, y'all need to run over to Instagram right now. She has a YouTube channel as well, but like her Instagram is huge. She is one of the biggest curly hair influencers out there. She is one of the first curly hair influencers that I really connected with through social media, and she just came out with her own line. I had to run to her website as quick as I could and purchase some of her products. So these are the two that I purchased. I think she's got like maybe 3 or 4 products. But this is the multi-use volume booster with organic aloe and rice water. It's sulfate, silicone, paraben free, great for all hair types. This product can be used for a lot of different things. But what drew me to this is she's all about volume. I'm all about volume. She's got, I think, thicker hair than me, but she's definitely had her struggles like me as well. So the fact that she's come up with a product that really helps with volume has me feeling all the feels. So I cannot wait to try this on my hair. You can use it as a primer. What I'm gonna use it as is a booster, and you add 1 to 2 pumps to your favorite styling cream or gel, and it helps to boost that product and give your hair volume. You can also use it as a refresher. You can also use this to separate your curls. This is her MANETRXX Shine Booster. It's sulfate, silicone, paraben free. It basically contains a lot of essential oils. Let's see. Oh, this is a little spray. I thought it was like a little pump. So this is a shine spray. This is a volume booster, and I'm super excited. I've already cleansed and conditioned my hair, and I am going to first go in with, I'm gonna go in with this first just because I do want some sort of leave-in conditioner. This is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And I'm just going to spray a little bit of this all over my hair. This stuff smells so good, y'all. I don't know if you've ever tried this, but it's so good. Comb all of that out. Then we're just gonna literally go right in with this product. I think I'm gonna mix it with the Shape Up Aqua Gel from Curlsmith, because this is one of my favorite gels. And I do like a little hold. I'd rather use a gel than a cream on my hair for whatever reason. Okay, so I'm going to open this up, and I think I'm just gonna add some gel. This gel is pretty thin. And then, oh, that's really watery. Okay. I thought it was gonna be a little more of like a creamy consistency. Okay. Gonna add this, very, very watery. Okay, gonna add this. No wonder you could use this to separate your curls. I'm just gonna start combing this, raking this through. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know if I think that's the Aqua Gel. That smells good. I'll have to open this and see what this smells like. I don't really smell much of a scent to it. Okay, all right. Gonna add a little bit more. Gonna add, I might be adding too much. I added like 1.5 more pumps. Just going to distribute that all through the hair. Okay, let me get this distributed. I'll be right back. Please excuse the noise. My husband is right outside working outside this window right here. But y'all, it might just be me, but I feel like even with my hair wet, my hair is looking like more plump and like more voluminous. That's kind of crazy. Normally I don't get that effect when my hair is wet. I'll start to get that, you know, once it starts to dry, if I have like a good volumizing product. So, all right, so far this is looking really, really good, and I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse. I'll be back. Okay, so my hair is probably about, I'd say 90% dry. I have not scrunched out anything. I haven't shaken out my roots. And it is definitely already looking a little more voluminous than it normally is. And the definition that I have, I mean, obviously that could be from the gel, because I love this gel, but also with this MANETRXX booster. Like, it's looking good, y'all. It's looking really good. I'm happy. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Shine Booster. I'm just gonna spray a little bit in my hand first, and I'm gonna use this to kind of just scrunch very lightly. I really don't have too much of a cast. I've got a little bit of a cast from that gel, which is what I want to make my wash day last. So I'm gonna scrunch this out just a little bit, and then I am gonna continue to diffuse until my hair is 100% dry, and then I'm gonna come back and shake out the roots. Okay, she is looking so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this down just a little bit so you can see. I'm gonna start shaking out my roots. Y'all, this definition, are you kidding me? Like, oh, this is incredible. This is not just from that gel. Like, I've used that gel plenty of times, and while I love it, she doesn't normally look like this. Just shaking it out really good to add that extra volume. Oh my gosh, I can't get over this definition. Okay, let me move this back up. Oh my gosh. I mean, I haven't even picked the roots out, which I don't even think I'm going to. Whoa, y'all, are you kidding me? Look at the shine. My hair feels so like light and bouncy, and just, I'm gonna just add a little more. I just sprayed a little more of this shine spray. I feel like this comes out a little bit hard for me to like be able to just spray it right on my hair. I feel like I wouldn't distribute it good enough. Oh, and this stuff smells incredible. But y'all, I'm in love. I'm in love. 10 out of 10, literally 10 out of 10 for me. And I don't say that lightly. Like, these are legit. I can't wait to use this to refresh my hair with. Okay, have you guys tried these? Are you guys gonna try them? I'll leave her information linked in the description box. I don't have a discount code or nothing like that, but these are bomb. I bought these myself, by the way. So happy. I'll definitely be using this booster probably every time I style my hair, basically. All right, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I love my results. HIF3LICIA, you killed it with these products, girl. I'm so proud of you. I am so happy for you. I wish you all the success in the curly hair world, and yeah, that's it from me and my defined curls. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.